Hi, I'm designer Fumi and welcome to day 2 of my design series. Today let's talk about something that confuses a lot of people, UI versus UX. When I started designing, I used to mix them up too. I thought UX was just a fancy name for UI until I worked on a project that proved me wrong. I remembered my first freelance project. I spent hours designing this really beautiful interface, clean buttons, nice colors, perfect alignment. Everything looked great. But when users tried to use it, it got confusing. So they didn't know where to click, they didn't know how to move to the next step, and that is when it hit me. The design looked good, but it didn't feel good to use, and that is the difference between UI and UX. UI means user interface. It is what you see, the visuals, the colors, the buttons, the fonts, while UX means user experience. It is what you feel while using a product, how easy or how confusing it can be to use. You can have a beautiful UI and still have a terrible UX, but when the both of them work together, that is when the design becomes a magic. Think of it this way: UI is like the outfit you wear, while UX is how comfortable you feel while wearing that particular outfit. You can dress well but not still feel comfortable. The same thing applies to apps. Apps can look great, but they can also frustrate users. I have designed a few beautiful disasters in my early days, and every time I learned that users don't care how pretty your interface look like. All they care about is how it works. So if your design is nice but it doesn't work well, believe me, that is not a good design. Good design is a balance, aesthetics that serve function. Next time someone asks you the difference between UI and UX, always remember this: UI makes it look good and UX makes it make sense. It is not about making things look beautiful, it is about making them feel right. So as you are designing this week, as you are thinking about pixel, color, font, layout, also think about the people who are going to use it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in day 3. Bye.